Today I'm at the Junior Achievement Inspire Career Expo.
There you go. Welcome. Junior Achievement, we are all about helping kids to succeed. The kids are going to get a chance to see, feel, and touch different careers, everything from the trades to healthcare to businesses and cybersecurity.
We're learning about jobs and what we could be when we're older if we don't know what we want to do when we're older.
We partner with Pinellas County Schools. Both of us have the same mission to educate and inspire children. So this helps us to get the kids into careers, and it also helps Pinellas County Schools because their students are our clients.
We felt like sixth grade was the place to start so that kids start with an open mind. And as they continue on through middle school, they're already doing some goal setting.
I'm really into cars. I would like to be then a mechanical engineer. You can learn about different people's jobs, and if it can help you learn about, decide what you want to be, it can teach you new stuff about what you want to be, and I think it's helpful.
It helps me because if I see a job that I like and I want to do when I'm older, then I can think about that and see if that matches what I want and who I am.
We were very excited to have some of our high schools join us because we know that kids know about the magnet programs we have in our high schools, but we want them to know, again, the variety of programs that are out there. We have so many different fields that kids can enter into and make a career out of that are interesting, that are technological, that they can have a passion about, and it's all right here in Pinellas County.